Alright, I have a Nissan Titan here, 2008. We have a bunch of lights in the instrument cluster for the ABS system. We have the code P0500 for the vehicle speed sensor. Now, before doing anything on this truck, I want to say something. I have seen so many vehicles when they have that code on these trucks, like 2008, 2011, most of them, these trucks, the people open the transmission and they take out the all-wheel drive, the transfer case. You have to take off also the extension case from the transmission in order to have access to the vehicle speed sensor. Don't do that. When the speedometer is not working, in this case the speedometer is not working, and this vehicle has the code P0500, it needs to pass inspection, but it cannot pass inspection because of that. In this case, the signal from the signal that comes here to the instrument cluster to the speedometer, for the speedometer gauge to work, to tell you at what speed you're driving, that comes from the two rear wheel speed sensors, especially from the left hand side, from the driver's side. If the passenger side sometimes works, I'm talking about the rear wheel speed sensors, rear ABS wheel speed sensors. If the right one works, but if this one doesn't work, the speedometer right there, the speedometer gauge will stop working. But it will tell you vehicle speed sensor. Very confusing. Sometimes some people, I have seen so many videos on YouTube, when the people come and open the transmission, replace the vehicle wheel speed sensor, and to find out that that's not the problem. So I'm gonna get live data on my scanner, monitoring the two rear wheel speed sensors, ABS wheel speed sensors, and see if one of them is not working or both of them are working. Then problem should be on the wire maybe, or the ABS control module. It might be related to the ABS system. And if one of the sensors is not good, I'm not gonna be showing how to replace one of those, because all you do is take off the tire and you see the sensor there in the front. Just take it off, 12mm bolt, and disconnect it and connect the other one, and that's it, in case if that is the problem. So let's see. Inside the vehicle here, a bunch of lights in the instrument cluster. See, we have the check engine light, 4-wheel drive right there, and the engine is up and running right now at this moment. Brake light and ABS slip right there. Alright, let's see the code here. P0500 right there, vehicle speed sensor, sensor A. And I took some screenshots here for these codes I have here right now. We have the code P1721, vehicle speed signal, and we have this one here, C1102 for the rear left wheel speed sensor, ABS wheel speed sensor, and the left one is the one that controls the signal for the speedometer and the instrument cluster. So probably this one will have to be replaced. I have live data here on my scanner. Let's see the RPMs right there and the vehicle speed sensor. We'll follow them here. See the revolutions per minute right there. So we're gonna move and see if the vehicle speed sensor is working. Alright, I started driving already, and the gauge is not moving. As you can see right there, gauge is not moving at all. And the vehicle speed sensor is not doing its job for some reason. Very kind of difficult to get the camera right there while I'm driving. But see, the RPMs are working, but the speed of the vehicle is not showing here. Nothing is happening with the speedometer right there. See, it's not moving at all. Let's take a look at the scanner, and the scanner is showing 0 when it comes to the vehicle speed sensor. 0 right there, nothing. After replacing the rear left wheel speed sensor, and the speedometer is working right there. It doesn't look that good because of the sunlight, and getting kind of dark here, so it makes a bad combination. looks so white right there, but you can see that the speedometer is working. I'm gonna stop. We're gonna take off again. We're gonna take off and see everything is normal. So the speedometer is working again only by replacing the rear left wheel speed sensor. All the rest of the bunch lights still will be there. That is because the front ABS wheel speed sensors were eliminated, were removed when they eliminated the four-wheel drive. Not the chicane light. The chicane light might go away at any moment. The vehicle has to be driven. All right, problem has been fixed. The speedometer gauge is working again only by replacing the rear ABS wheel speed sensor, the one on the driver's side. As I said, if the driver's side doesn't work, even if this one works, the speedometer gauge won't work. So thanks for watching.